Hello everyone, my name is Navya. I am from News and InfoTech Solutions. My mentor name is Dinesh Sir. Today's my topic is array iteration methods. There are four methods in array iteration methods. Those are map function, filter function, sum method, and every method. Coming to my first topic, map function. Map function is used to create new arrays by performing some operations on original arrays without causing any disturbance to it. Syntax for map function is constant array name equal to old array dot map of variable and its operation. An example for map function is constant num1 equal to 1, 2, 12, 24, 14. Constant num2 equal to, I am performing map function in this, that is num1 dot map of n equal to n into 2. I am printing the given output with the help of document dot object dot write of num2. This is map function. And the second one is filter function. Filter function. Filter function is used to create new arrays by performing some conditions of the original array without causing any disturbance to it. And the syntax for filter function is constant array name equal to old array dot filter of variable and its function, that is condition num modulo 2 equal to 0. As it is a syntax, I am writing here as condition. Example for filter function is constant num equal to old array dot filter of function and its condition. The condition is even num modulo 2 equal to 0. And I am printing this with the help of document dot object dot write of num1. This is filter function. Sum method. Sum method is used to check whether some values of the given arrays will pass the condition or not. Syntax for sum method is constant variable name equal to old array dot sum of condition and code, that means operation. Example for sum method is constant even equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Even 1 equal to old array dot sum method, and here we are checking the given values is even or not. Here in sum method we are only checking the value whether the given values are passing the condition or not. So n modulo 2, here the condition is even number. So in the given array set elements, the variables 2, 3, 4, only if the even numbers exist, some of the even number, it will print the even numbers in sum method. Next one is every method. Every method is used to check whether all the given elements pass the condition or not. And the syntax for every method is constant variable name equal to old array dot every of function and its condition. And the example for every method is in every method we only check whether all the elements are even or not. So if in the given condition all the elements is even, so the output we'll get is every element even. It will print whether true or false. If true, if all the elements pass the condition, and it will give false when all the elements are not following the condition. Thank you.